Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com.
First up this evening, the Health Ministry has indicated that many Jamaicans have been turning up at public health facilities with heat-related illnesses.
While there have been no fatalities so far, the Health Minister says it is still a cause for concern.
As Kelisha Williams reports, Dr. Christopher Tufton made the declaration as he toured upgraded sections of Spanish Town Hospital in St. Catherine.
New equipment and upgraded facilities at the Spanish Town Hospital in St. Catherine. Air conditioners a key part of the upgrade at the facility as the island struggles to cope with soaring temperatures. While touring the hospital, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton explained the renovation is only the beginning of what's to come.
Which are a precursor to the groundbreaking and construction of the more important facility, which is the 6-story building, fully equipped, fully refurbished, operating theatre, A&E, and many other such types of facilities.
In fact, Dr. Tufton pointed out that many patients, not only at the Spanish Town Hospital but island-wide, have been turning up at public health facilities with heat-related illnesses.
What it does, it amplifies the illnesses that persons have. So for persons with hypertension, for persons who maybe diabetic, for persons who require hydration as part of their therapy, with water in particular, then the heat will clearly create greater fatigue for them. So there is no doubt that you will find more persons being vulnerable and getting ill because of the heat. And so yes, it is a problem, and you do see some of that showing up.
Fortunately, though, the country has not recorded any heat-related deaths so far.
But certainly in terms of people who require rehydration or hydration.
Which is why we asked Dr. Tufton whether his recent suggestion for employers to adjust the number of work hours for outdoor workers during the heat wave is a position being discussed by Cabinet.
Cabinet is now on recess until early September. And I think it's going to be important for me to brief Cabinet in terms of what the impact of the heat is. And we can decide from there exactly what to do. But in the meantime, I think it's in everybody's interest, including employers, to do something to support their workers, particularly those on the outdoors.
Scientists have already declared that July was the hottest month on record, with temperatures in some places climbing to 45 degrees Celsius, almost half the boiling point of water. The Met Service of Jamaica has also declared that the island could experience above normal hot days until as far as October. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.